Hey, welcome to my latest video on top 5 AI email marketing tools. What if I told you the difference between a 500 email campaign and a 50,000 email campaign? It's not the size of your list, it's the AI running behind it. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 AI email marketing tools you need to know in 2026. What each one actually does with AI and exactly how much they cost to get started. So email is still the highest return of investment marketing channels, but doing it manually in 2026 is a waste of your time. AI now writes your subject lines, predict the best send time for every single subscriber, segments your audience automatically, and even help you turn your list into real revenue. So I tested and researched the 5 platforms for every growing business you looking at right now. So let's rank them one by one. First up, Kit, formerly known as ConvertKit. This is the go-to platform for creators, coaches, authors, and anyone building a personal brand around an audience. Here is where the AI comes in. Kit has a built-in AI writing assistant right inside the email editor that help you generate subject lines and email copy in seconds. So you are never starting at a blank page. It also connects to an AI app store with over 60 AI-powered ratings, design, and automation tools. And for the more technical creators, Kit has something called the Kit MCP that lets you literally connect tools like Cloudy, ChatGPT, or Gemini directly into your subscribers' data. So AI can pull insight and help you make smarter decisions about your list. So why it help your business grow? Kit lets you tag and segment your audience automatically based on behavior, then trigger personalized automation. So a customer who buy get a complete different email journey than someone who just download a freebie. So combine that with AI written copy and you are sending more relevant email faster with a smaller team. So starting price, Kit has a free up to 10,000 subscribers and paid creator plans start around $13 per month, about $30 per month if billed manually. So the second on the list is Behave. If Kit is built for creator, Behave is built for creators who want to turn their newsletter into an actual media business. Behave's AI tools focus on growth and optimization, taking AI assistant content suggestions, smart A/B testing, and audience insights that tell you what actually driving opens, driving clicks, and subscriber growth. So it also has a built-in referral and monetization engine to make money from your list through paid subscription, sponsorship, and its own ad networks. So why it help your business grow? Behave takes 0% of your paid subscription revenue, and its AI-powered A/B testing means you are constantly improving your open and click through rate without manually guessing what works. For a business trying to build a newsletter that pay for itself, that is huge. So starting price is $49 per month or $43 per month when billed annually, where it also offer free account for up to 2,500 subscribers. So the next on the list, so let's talk about the heavyweight HubSpot. This is not just an email tool, it is a full marketing and sales platform, and its AI agent is called Breeze. Breeze AI can write entire email campaigns for you, personalize content dynamically for each contact based on their CRM data, and even deploy AI agent that handle tasks like content generation and lead follow-up automatically. Because HubSpot is email marketing live inside the CRM, the AI is not just guessing. It is using real data about what each contact clicks, bought, or browse to personalize every single email. So why it help your business grow? This is the tool for businesses that want email, sales, and customer data working together. So instead of your marketing team and sales team using separate tool, everything feeds into one AI system. So your email gets smarter as your CRM data growth. This is a massive advantage for scaling business to business and mid-sized businesses. So the HubSpot starting price. So HubSpot has a free CRM and a free email tool to start. So base starter plan begin around $15 to $20 per month per seat, while the full email marketing professional plan may be around $800 per month. So the next on the list is MoveSend. MoveSend is the one to know if you're a budget conscious but still want serious automation power. MoveSend includes AI-powered written tools to help generate email copies and subject line, plus a visual automation builder with dozens of behavior-based triggers. So you can build sequences that react to what a subscriber clicks, buys, or ignores. It is not a deep on predictive AI as some bigger platforms, but for the price, it punches way above its weight. So why it help your business grow? If you are a small business or a solo marketer, MoveSend gives you a enterprise style automation, behavior-based sequences, and unlimited sense AI copy assistance without an enterprise price tag. It is one of the best way to get sophisticated email marketing running on a startup budget. So starting price is $9 per month for your first tier of subscriber with unlimited email send included. Finally, the next one is Brevo. This one stand out because it goes beyond email. Brevo AI Lab includes predictive lead scoring, AI-powered audience segmentation, and content generation tools that help you write and optimize campaign. But its real superpower is that it unifies emails, SMS, WhatsApp, and live chat in one platform. And AI can help you decide which channel to use for which customers based on their behavior. So why it help your business grow? Because Brevo prices by email sent rather than by contact store. So it can be dramatically cheaper for businesses with large lists cheaper for businesses with large lists that don't email constantly. Add the multiple channel AI targeting and you get one system smart enough to reach engage without juggling 5 different tools. So starting price, it has a free plan available for up to 300 email per day and paid starter plan begin around $9 per month. For every one of these tools, use AI differently. Some focus on writing your email for you, some focus on predicting who to send to and when, and some focus on trying your email to read customer. Some focus on tying your email to reach customer data. The right pick depends on where your business is right now. If this help you to figure out which AI email tool best fit for your business, drop your comment and tell me which one you are trying first and subscribe now to see my next video. Wish you the best of luck. Thank you for watching.